Hello and welcome. Today we have this Audi A8 long wheelbase that came to us with the problem with the original Audi rear screens. So let me show you exactly what the issue is. Right, I'm in the car and what I want to show you today is this maintenance screen. Let me just start it up. The car is already running, so we should be able to start this up. The problem with these screens is after a while, with age, the batteries become weaker to the point when they just stop holding charge. And then you get an error on the screen, which I'm going to show you shortly on this. Let me just power it on with the button on top. It should come up here. There you go. Powered by Android, so we know it's starting up. So when these screens are connected, sitting in the bracket, they get the charge from the car and they fully working, but they are designed to be taken out from bracket that holds them, so you can hold them on your lap, or you can pass it to other passengers, or you can just take it away with you from the car and use it like a smartphone device, because it's an Android kind of device. Obviously this has an issue and limits what you can do with it, because you get this error and it says it's not possible to use the battery, please contact Audi dealer. And when you get that message, that means the battery is out of its life cycle. You cannot use it anymore. And the only option the dealer will be able to tell you, to offer you, is to replace the whole screen, which will cost in thousands of pounds. But we offer a solution. We offer to have the batteries replaced, recalibrated, so that then you get the whole new battery fully working. And if I go here in the settings as well, just to prove it, at the moment, this battery here is just not charging. It's showing charging, but it's 0%. It doesn't move, and that's the issue. And if I release the screen from the bracket, I'll show you. There you go. It goes off, and then becomes dead. It's not possible to use it until you will put it back on the bracket. On the bracket to get the power again. And the same we get on the other screen here in this car as well. So we've got the same error. So both screens, this one and this one, has the same issue. So let's us fix this and show you when it's all completed. Right, the job is completed. We have new batteries installed. They calibrated, fully programmed. So we've got screens working on one and the other side. And as you can see now, it's showing charging icon there. Let me just try to make it sharper if I can. Just there, it's showing charging on both screens. And if I take the screen away from the bracket, as I'm just doing now, put it on my lap, obviously, then as you can see here, it's using the battery. And if we go to settings, you will be able to see battery, and I can go into it, and it's showing 99% battery left, yeah, it's fully working, which is the most important. So I can have this now with me if I want to go away from the car or move it around in the car and not necessarily have it on the bracket. If I put it back on the bracket, and it's back in there, I can, again, it's charging, and I can play, for example, TV. Either way, on or off the bracket, is fully working, fully calibrated with the car, fully synced and linked. Same for here. If I go in here, I can select different things, and I can remove that from the bracket. Again, it's going to show us that it's working off the battery now. And I can go to settings, which in the car, sorry, not in the car, it's going to be in settings. I can select battery, and again, this one is fully charged to 100%, all working as it should be, just like would they be brand new. So if you have these kind of screens in your car and the batteries don't hold the charge at all, just get in touch with us. We offer this comprehensive repair to bring it back to life, and you'll have a full functionality, not just only on the bracket, but off the bracket as well. Thank you for watching the video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.